In today's video, I'm going to be painting Aang from Avatar. Let's get right into it. For the first step, I'm going to be using sun yellow to paint his clothing. Orange fire for his cape and some other parts. Flat brown for his boots. Flat brown mixed with black to paint the little details on his boots. Painting his skin with basic skin tone. Painting his arrow on his head with blue-green. Now I'm going to start airbrushing the elements. Starting with the fire, airbrushing the bottom of it with red. Orange after the red. Yellow after the orange. Now painting the water element, starting with ultramarine at the bottom. At the top, sky blue. Painting all the rocks with flat brown. Painting the wind with blinding light to make the white a bit grayer. Painting with white all the white parts on the water. Dry brushing the rocks with red letter mixed with white. And now for the final step, I'm highlighting his cape with orange mixed with white. Now, the moment you all have been waiting for, it's time for the final result.